Ireland's presented by Miss O'Brien's third grade class.
Landscapes of Ireland. Ireland is in Western Europe. It occupies most of the island in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is the continent's second largest island. Surrounding countries, Ireland.
Ireland's terrain is mostly level. It does have some rolling hills. The most part of Ireland is covered with grassland areas. One of Ireland's characteristics is the bog. It covers the island.
Ireland's boglands are very special places. Boglands are areas of peat bogs, and they make up 5% of the island landscape. They are home to many rare plants and animals. There are two types of bogland in Ireland. Blanket bogs are found on mountain slopes and in areas of heavy rainfall. They are not very deep, at about 1.5 meters. They are mostly found in the west of Ireland and in the Wicklow, Galtee, and Knocknagel Mountains. Back to boglands in Ireland. Bogs occur where the water at the ground surface is acidic, low and neutral. In some cases, the water is derived entirely from precipitation. The green and pink is but there are also large areas of rugged, rocky landscapes. About 15,000 years ago, Ireland was completely covered by big glaciers. The movement of these giant sheets of ice stripped the soil, leaving the huge tracts of flat limestone pavement. Today this is called the Ireland Highway.
Ireland is known as the Emerald Isle for its beautiful natural hills.
Animals of Ireland. Sand and dolphin, Irish wolfhound. Ireland is known for many different breeds of dogs and ponies.
Did you know that there are no wild snakes in Ireland? The sea has stopped many animals common on mainland Europe from reaching the island. There are also only 2 wild mice species, 1 type of lizard, and just 3 kinds of amphibians.
People and culture. Ireland is a nation of storytellers. The tradition dates back to Celtic bards who would record and recite their country's history. Many famed writers come from Ireland, including 4 winners of the Nobel Prize for Literature. The Irish also excel in music and sports. Here are some places in Ireland.
Languages of Ireland. The official language is Celtic, but only 30% of people who live in Ireland speak it on a daily basis. Everyone normally speaks English. English is Ireland's second official language.
So we say, what is your name in English, and in Celtic or Irish, this is what it would sound like.
Cén Tenematort. Cén Tenematort.
For most of its history, Ireland's economy has been based on farming and agriculture. But since the late 1950s, government efforts to attract business have turned Ireland from one of Europe's poorest nations to its second wealthiest. The amazing turnaround earned Ireland the nickname Celtic Tiger. People in Ireland do not use money like we do this country. Castles. Ireland has no shortage of castles. There are about 1,000 castles spread throughout the island. Nevertheless, if you're visiting Ireland, you'll probably want to see at least one beautiful medieval castle. You may want to see a castle you could walk into with intact bedrooms and a real furniture. In the bottom castles you can stay.
So the bottom 2 castles are like hotels. You can actually go stay and visit Ireland.
Irish food is known for the quality and of its ingredients. Most cooking is done without herbs or spices, except for salt and pepper. Foods are usually served without sauce or gravy. Irish dance. Irish dancing is part of Ireland's history. Irish dancing is popular in various countries around the globe. It wasn't until river dancing was shown on television that Irish dancing exploded into the mainstream. River dancing was first performed in 1994. I'm here. Yes, they are.
Oh Lord, I don't think so. Because I'm not. I don't know. Okay.
And we have a video of it's a tour of Ireland.
I've been down to see Ireland.
So you want to get away from it all. Try something new. Wow yourself with incredible scenery, historic sites with romantic castle stays, and gourmet dining? Jump into Ireland. It's waiting just for you. This is Donna Salerno, and today we discover the top 10 things to see in Ireland. Ireland's mighty Cliffs of Moher is one of the country's most visited natural attractions, towering over the Atlantic Ocean in Western Ireland. The iconic cliffs host the country's most spectacular coastal walks, carved out by a gigantic river delta 320 million years ago. The imposing cliffs offer incredible views stretching over Galway Bay. Ireland's most scenic tourist trail, the Ring of Kerry, runs 120 miles through some of southwest Ireland's most jaw-dropping landscapes, a patchwork of lush meadows, glacial lakes, and heather-topped mountains. It includes highlights like the rugged Beara Peninsula and the Kerry Way, Ireland's longest and oldest walking route. Only your most comfortable shoes will cut it in Killarney. It's a walking town, and every trail is a history lesson. Journey on foot through Ireland's first national park, 26,000 acres of woodlands, sandstone mountains, and low-lying lakes. When your feet wear out, take in Killarney's National Park via boat from Ross Castle. Northern Ireland's only UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Giant's Causeway, is proof that Mother Nature provides the most dramatic tourist attractions. It almost feels as if you're in another world. The hexagonal rock formations jutting out into the sea are one of Ireland's most fascinating natural features. Part of the popular Antrim coastal walk, the Causeway is a tourist hotspot. Insider's tip: Belfast is the jump-off point to visit the Giant's Causeway. If you want to discover the real Belfast, then linger a couple of days to take a private city tour. It's fun, friendly, and full of surprises, much like the city itself. The Irish are known for possessing the gift of gab. Not only can they spin a yarn, they can also put pen to paper, with flourish. Just ask one of Ireland's 4 winners of the Nobel Prize for Literature. Experience Ireland's literary tradition, firsthand in Dublin, starting with a stroll through the beautiful old library at Trinity College. There you'll find one of the world's oldest manuscripts, the Book of Kells. Of course, Dublin offers spectacular shopping, nightlife, and historic spots as well, not to mention the Guinness Storehouse. Located on Ireland's west coast, Galway is an excellent base for trips to the Aran Islands and Connemara. But no one would blame you for not wanting to leave the city at all. The young college town is so wonderfully lively, even Dublineers flock here for weekend getaways. The compact cobblestone city doesn't have much in the way of traditional tourist traps, but what Galway lacks in sightseeing, it more than makes up for in atmosphere. Waterford was founded by Viking traders in 914. This city is the oldest in Ireland and known worldwide as being the home to Waterford Crystal. Stroll through the picturesque streets, enjoy gourmet dining, and great shopping. For those with adventures on their minds, The mountains nearby offer a fantastic location for cycling, climbing, and hiking. County Kerry's sublime Dingle Peninsula boasts a scenic drive full of postcard-worthy vistas. The landscape features sandy beaches, Caribbean blue stretches of ocean, and of course, Dingle, the charming village for which the peninsula is named. Don't let the unassuming name fool.
Question. What types of landscapes are in Ireland?
You guys remember what types of landscapes? There's several different kinds of landscapes.
It was like M-O-A-G-R.
Well, that's a place, but what type? Guys, help them out. Kimberly.
Grasslands, boglands, rolling hills.
Yeah,
A Waterford?
that's a place. We're just talking about different landforms. And so, what'd you say, Kimberly?
Grasslands, boglands.
Grasslands, boglands,
Rolling hills.
rolling hills,
And the Causeway.
causeway. Okay.
Is Ireland an island?
It should be easy.
Yes.
Yes, it's surrounded by water.
What colors are on the island?
Orange,
That's easy.
Orange, white,
Green.
green, white, orange. Green, white, and orange.
Do you have any more questions?
Very good job. You guys were a wonderful audience. Thank you. Guys, let's give them a round of applause. You're such a good audience. And I just want to say that my kids researched all this. They found this themselves, and we kind of put it together. So they worked really hard on it. They did a great job today.
I didn't even do anything else to
Thank
you.
you, guys.
There was more.
Yes,